Watch this video to the end to find out where to make a profit. So, let's get started. Hello everyone, this is the Whale Hunter, and this is a quick overview of key assets: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Today, we will analyze their current position and important levels that will set the direction for the coming trading week. Let's go! Bitcoin. Let's start with the king of the market. Bitcoin current situation. Bitcoin is at 101,000 to 102,000, and we've reached the psychological level of plus or minus 100,000. So, for this trading week until the 17th of November, I'm pointing out the levels for this trading week, key levels. Important level 0, 104,000 to 105,000 consolidation above this level will open the way to 110,000, 116,000, 122,000 plus or minus. Breaking through the 110,000 level will open a clear path to the second and third targets, but if the price remains below 104,000 to 105,000, then hello, 98 to 93 to 87. Conclusion on BTC. While the price is lower, it is not worth waiting for. To the moon. Let's move on to the king of altcoins, Ethereum. Current situation with ETH. The current price of 3,400 looks more confident than Bitcoin, but it still indicates that it is too early for further growth. So, the levels for ETH are as follows. Important level 0, 3,515. If the price rises above this level and consolidates, then we can expect a local level of 3,800 to 3,900 only. When the price rises above the 3,900 level, can we talk about targets 2 and 3. But for now, we are seeing market weakness, and the price is below 3,515. The first local target is 3,100 to 3,200. A break below 3,000 will open the way to 2,600 to 2,200. But let me remind you that if Bitcoin's dominance declines, altcoins will flex their muscles. Liquidity will gradually shift to cheaper assets. Conclusion on ETH. We need momentum for a breakthrough, but for now we need to find the bottom. Let me remind you that the market is still in a bullish phase, and there are no signs of panic. The fear index of 25 shows that the bottom is already close, but we are waiting for a hint from market makers who will show us the market movement. You need to be a hunter in the market, not a hamster, to stay in profit. And where would we be without this year's main memecoin engine, Solana? Current situation, SOL $153. There is no reason to panic, as Solana is one of the few that has shown good growth since Bitcoin's rise. So, the levels that decide everything, important 0 level. To continue the rally, we need to consolidate above $166. Only then can we see $190 to $200 and talk about global growth if we consolidate above $200. But as long as the price is below the target of 143 to 135 to 123, be careful. 143 is local support. The altcoin market now looks stronger. Consider the risks, lock in your profits, and don't chase money. If you do everything right, you will be in profit for a long time. Conclusion on SOL, an aggressive asset that requires risk management. The key battle will unfold at $190 to $200. So, the overall conclusion, BTC sets the tone for the entire market, and keeping it at high levels is critical. ETH is waiting for its moment to break out. SOL is the locomotive of altcoins, but we must remember its volatility. The overall picture remains positive, but everything will depend on maintaining these key levels. Thank you for being with us. Like if you found this review useful, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episodes. Write your thoughts on the current levels in the comments. Let us know which cryptocurrencies you would like to see reviewed. See you soon.